We took the long way to Castell from the Ladies in Leather Rally in Llano, Texas. We rode in a short loop, checking out some scenic roads we haven't been on before. Starting just outside the Ladies in Leather Rally. On West Ranch Road 152. Turning south on Country Road 116. The roads we are traveling on today are considered part of Texas Hill Country. Hill Country has many cold springs, which feels great in the summers, as temperatures are often in the high 90s or over 100. Turning southwest on Farm to Market Road 2323. Farm to Market roads are also labeled as FM, making it FM 2323. Even though many of these creeks are currently dry, you can tell by the flood gauge that it does flood here. Last year, about a week after the rally, it did flood. One of the neighboring towns, Kingsland, lost its bridge from the water. The bridge was replaced about a month before this year's rally. We are doing this ride in September. However, in the spring, these hills are covered with wildflowers. Texas bluebonnets and Indian paintbrush are a few of the wildflowers the Texas Springs are famous for. Turning to go west on Cherry Spring Road. This is a good example of the small country roads found all over Texas. There are many small creeks along the roads in Hill Country. If they are deep enough to have flowing water, it's not unusual to see people pulled over and cooling off. Turning north on US 87. Google Maps didn't like the way we had decided to go. It had turned us around to take us on a detour through Loyal Valley. Here's our detour, Ranch Road 2242. At this point, we were following the map and didn't realize we were going the wrong way. A pretty detour, but not the way we wanted to go. A few adjustments to the map, and back on US 87 going north. To the right is the road that we had just gone down. We had now done a complete circle. Going east on Ranch Road 152. The ranch roads are also written as RR, so that would be RR 152. This road had a lot of cattle guards. The suspension on both our bikes is really good, but we still stand up over the cattle guards. We found the reason for all the cattle guards. And a reminder why riding on the country roads at night in Texas is not a good idea. It's pretty common to see a herd of cattle on the road in the country in Texas. We have seen what we assume are escaped cow and horse on the road within half an hour of the city. Small town of Castell. In the 2010 census, Castell had 104 residents. We went in, enjoyed some food, a drink, and the air conditioning. Now we're cooled off, we're off again. Still going east on FM 152. We are heading back to the Ladies in Leather Motorcycle Rally. In 1964, Castell was designated a Texas Historic Landmark. From this area to the rally, we follow along the Llano River. We are far enough away we don't see the river in most cases, but we do see the small streams that run into it. There are a few public parks in this area with access to the Llano River. Most of the riverfront is privately owned. This area was settled in 1847 by German immigrants. They started out with 5 communities. Only Castell is still here. river offers tubing and a few places to rent kayaks and canoes. I do have another video, and I will put the link in the description, of the ladies in leather kayaking during the sunset on the Llano River. At the rally grounds in Llano, Texas. The event center on our left. SOS camping on our right and the RVs on our left. SOS is where you're renting the tent and all the camping supplies. We were staying in the free camping area, which I was calling Woodstock. Time to park the bikes and enjoy the rally. Thanks for joining us on our short ride as we explore some country roads. Please subscribe to my channel on YouTube, follow me on Facebook at Biking with Butterfly.